All right, we got Papa out testing the Euphree Stellar Falcon. He's used to riding his KBO Breeze. Always complains it's not fast enough or doesn't have enough power. So this one's got a little bit bigger motor, a little bit more speed. Fits him nice. He's about 5'10".
It's pretty comfy.
Yeah, suspension seat post.
This is torque sensor, isn't it?
It is torque sensor. But here's the cool part. On that bike, you can actually set it to be a cadence if you want.
Oh, really?
It's got either or in the settings. I like torque, so I set it to torque. But Papa's more of a cadence sensor rider. Yeah, what do you think?
I like it. I mean, it's very comfortable. I'm still getting used to whether I like the torque sensor or the cadence sensor. And is the throttle is not dependent on the pedal assist you're in?
No, it's full throttle all the time.
Full throttle all the time.
What do you think? Is it more powerful than that KBO?
I don't know. I don't think a lot more. I think this is more, I feel more comfortable, more stable on this one than the other one. I don't know why. I don't know if not sure why.
Handlebars are a little bit taller. Tires are a little fatter.
Yeah.
See what the top speed is.
What?
See what the top speed is. He's pulling away from me, really. I'm going 25.
31.
31, huh?
31 on downhill grade. I feel like this bike seems more stable. I'm able to take sharper turns with it.
I know, you look really comfortable in that thing.
I mean, I'm able to, before I don't usually like to lean too far, but this one I just kind of turn right into it.
Yeah, you're dipping and weaving, and I was like, oh, he's comfy on that one.
I feel very comfy on this. I want to try it without the torque sensor. I want to try the cadence sensor.
You can adjust all kinds of stuff in there. You can adjust how fast it kicks in.
Okay.
And you can adjust how much power it gives you when it does kick in. That's the only bike I know that does that.
Where it's set right now, I don't feel like it's got a tremendous kick in with power. It kind of gradually goes. It gets you there, but I do feel real stable on this bike. I didn't go over any bumps to test the seat out, but just sitting here, it seems pretty good.
Yeah, it's a nice seat post.
So, how do you change the cadence sensor?
I'll show you. All right, if we go into the settings, and then let's see, display setting, throttle, steering, brightness, drive mode. There you go. Cadence or torque? Let's move it to cadence. And then back, and then exit. Okay, now you are a cadence sensor.
Okay.
See if you can notice the difference. Let's see if it actually works. It felt like it worked when I tried it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, I can tell he's not really pushing on the pedals, he's just rotating them. It does work, it's a cool feature. I don't know any other bike that does it. He dropped me. I can't keep up. He's way faster than the little GoTrax bike I'm on.
I like the cadence sensor.
Yeah? You don't got to put any effort in, huh?
No effort.
You lazy e-bikers, I tell you.
All right, let's change one other thing.
Okay, now we're changing.
Now we're going to change how hard it hits.
Display. So you go into ride style, I think. And then these are all your pedal assist levels.
Yep.
Eco, Tour, Sport. So let's go into what do you have it in? Sport.
I probably have it up in turbo right now,
So
maybe.
if you go into turbo then, you can do the timing. So we set timing to fast, kicks in fast, right? As soon as you start pedaling, it'll kick in. So we'll leave it on fast. And then power assist is how, so it's already on high.
Okay.
It's on high and fast, so it should be the hardest hit in
turbo.
turbo. In turbo. You have to go in and set in each level, eco, sport, whatever. You can set high, low, fast, whatever.
Okay, go into like the eco, the low one, and see what.
All right, so if we're going to eco, the timing is set to slow. So we can bump that up to fast.
Hit it fast.
And then the power assist is set to low. So if you're in eco, you're getting no power. We'll go that high on that.
All right. Let me see what I'm in here.
See if you notice any difference. You're in turbo now, right?
No, I was in the high one.
Yeah, turbo.
So now I'm in eco.
Okay. I'm on this little guy.
It kicks in hard there. I think I can tell the difference there of it, how quickly it kicks in. Me, I think I like all of them kicking in fast and hard. And
I always like them when they're in eco to be very calm. Because if I'm just riding through town, I just want to go 5 miles an hour. And
that's true. Yeah.
Keep it in eco.
If you're riding with somebody that doesn't have their setup that high, at least you can go a little bit slower. The grips are comfy. I like them. No, I like this bike. It's comfy. I want to ride the other.
You want to ride the step-through one?
Yeah, I like to ride. I want to see how that one is.
All right. Okay, switching over from mid-step to step-through. Same bike. Same identical bike, but step-through. Stellar Falcon. See if you notice any difference. Well, he used the step-through. Oh, he did. Actually used the step-through.
This is set to cadence sensor.
Is it? I don't even remember.
I mean, that's 25 mile an hour, just ghost pedaling.
Does it feel like you're riding the same bike or not?
Not exactly. I mean, I definitely can feel the fishtail on this one differently than the other one. You know,
that's every step through. They all have a little bit of wiggle in the frame.
I would be, you know, it'll be interesting to see when we go into the settings here what the settings on this one are right now versus the other one. This one, to me, set up right now, seems like it had a little more get up and go to it than the other one did.
Well, for some reason, I noticed that when I was riding these two bikes as well. That one feels a little bit more powerful.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Yeah, I agree with that. It felt that way. That's why I thought maybe there was something different in the settings on this one. That
I go back and forth on them. You know, when I first got the two bikes, I liked this one, the mid-step, better. And then riding around and testing them, I was like, no, I like that one better. And now I'm kind of back to this one. I kind of like this one better now.
I'm kind of agreeing with you. I like in just what little I've rode, I like the stability on that one. It seems a little, I feel a little more comfortable on that one. This one feels like it's got a little bit more zip and get up and go to it. Not a lot of difference, but just
well, I mean,
my first
for you
impression.
To notice. You noticed it. I didn't even say anything because I noticed it too.
It's just my impression.
So you probably feel more stable because this frame doesn't move.
Yeah. And that's low enough. I can, you know, I probably could. I didn't try step through in that one, but
yeah, you could probably do it.
Could probably do it if I have a bag on the back, you know, because it would definitely be lower than the bag on the back. Yeah, well, we'll try this on the way back here.
Okay, which one are we loading on the truck?
I'm not sure yet. I got others to ride.
Sweet jumps, man. Oh, he's on the move now.
I'm gonna try.
All right. Oh, yeah, you can step through
Yeah.
it. Especially if there was a bag on here.
Yeah,
You know.
that bag is what gets me, is trying to. Yeah, that's why I said I'd want to take this one out for a ride again, and just as I get more comfortable on, just to see if I feel that the zip is there. But that one just seems just a little bit faster, a little bit quicker. But the top end on that one wasn't as high as the top end I got on this one. Oh, 1 mile an hour difference, you know, no big deal. But
the same exact motor.
yeah, I mean, might have been the way the wind was blowing. Who knows?
How about the suspension post? As good as full suspension?
Yeah, I thought they were good. I liked them.
Yeah, it's a nice little thing they give you there for, you know, free.
I mean, it seemed like it was better than a suspension seat post.
Well, I mean, it is. It's just a different style of one.
Yeah, it just had a little bit better give to it. And I kind of like the color of this one better.
Yeah, it's different. The blue's nice, but this is just a different. Kind of see it in this light a little bit. Dark. I was calling it dark black cherry or deep black cherry. I don't know what else to call it. When they sent it to me, they told me it was gonna be purple. I was like, purple?
I don't think that doesn't look purple to me. That's more of a deep metallic burgundy or.
Yeah, that's good. Metallic burgundy.
Yeah. Set of mirrors on there, and I'd be all set.
Yeah, you have to learn to live with the thumb throttle.
The thumb throttle doesn't really. I mean, you get used to it. Everything else I have is over here, so I'm used to it over there. But I definitely would prefer not having the throttle and the pedal assist on the same hand, because I change that a lot, you know, at the same time. And no, I like that bike. It's comfy.
Okay, all right.
I think it's
2 thumbs up, huh?
Yep. I don't know if it's got more.
It's got more speed than that KBO bike.
It's got what?
More speed.
Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely more speed. You know, the KBO, I don't know, it kicks in all right. It's a comfortable bike too, but I think the little bit fatter tires on this really help out.
Yeah, they're I think 2.8. I want to say. Johnny Watts. I like that size of tire.
Yeah, I do too.
Those are probably my favorite.
I probably should.
Wide tires.
Next time I go out, I should probably try to pedal this thing without any power and see what happens on just regular bicycle mode, you know, to see how hard it is to pedal.
Well, they only weigh 72 pounds, I think.
I know those fat tires, you know, man, if you lose the power on the fat tire, you're in trouble.
Oh, yeah.
Because they're hard to pedal home. The KBO, I think I could pedal that one home without power. Okay.
Okay.
Cut.
There you go. There's the verdict on the Euphree Stellar Falcon from Papa Citizen. Thanks.